gonna perpetrate, cause this 38 will be designated for all those who hate it like a just man. I contemplated your moves, you lose, now your hot, you gave me new moves, more dudes, now the top, you made me same rules, new crews, now the fudge, you made me.
Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back. I'm Van, and we are all the LFR family. And if you're not already with the LFR family, I'm gonna need for you to hit that subscribe button right there, Jack. Go hit that thing! Hit that thing! Also, if you look below this video, you'll see that I have merch. Won't you stop past the gift shop sometime and grab yourself something? And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All right, a while ago, probably like a week and a half ago, that's a while to me, I asked the question on YouTube, what's some good songs for me to do during car test reactions? Because once or twice a week, I have to go into work as an essential employee. I have to actually be on the grounds, no telework for me. So I'm driving today, and I'm doing something from you guys' list, and I wrote it down. I can responsibly see exactly who told me to do this. Someone told me to do MGK song 100 Words and Running. 100 Words and Running. And who was it? Jeff Hamilton that told me to do that. So that's what we're going to do. I never heard this song before. But 100 Words and Running, it sounds like it's a play off of NWA's 100 Miles and Running. So we're going to go ahead and check this joint out, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Turn this up right here. All right. Y'all ready? All right, let's do it.
100 words of running, yeah. 100 words of running. Yeah.
One thing that works for MGK, and I'm not gonna keep on stopping it, but one thing that works for MGK before he even get into his bars and before he even get into his bag is that his cadence, his natural tone, definitely works for him. It's like, and don't beat me up for saying this, but you know, like I compare his cadence and his natural tone to like J. Cole's natural tone, if that makes any sense. Like he just got a voice for what he does, if that makes any sense. No? Yeah? Okay. Somebody get it.
Yeah. What up? Kills. I do this. Yes. Come on. Yeah. What I tell you.
Yo, I really don't want people to start driving and doing car tests because right now I'm pretty much the only person that does that. But it would behoove people to get out there in their cars and drive around through the world and listen to these joints. Even if they're not reacting to them, they should probably drive and listen to them because it's a much better effect than it is sitting in front of a computer with your headphones on. I mean, the videos definitely, you can't do that. You'll end up goddamn dying or something driving and looking at a video, but I'm just saying. All right, let's go.
People, coming out the bottom of the motherfucking totem pole, calling everyone who ain't believe like I told them hoes. And I've been grinding so long, it's like I gotta blow. Baby mama calling up my phone, what the fuck you want? Cause
he always had a daggone axe to grind, man. Always had a chip on his shoulder. It seems to work for him.
calling everyone who ain't believe like I told them hoes. And I've been grinding so long, it's like I gotta blow. Baby mama calling up my phone, what the fuck you want? Cause I don't owe nobody shit, stop asking. Haters get off of my dick, stop gagging. They know I'm schooling them, they tell me stop classing. We already know that you the shit, stop gassing. And my flow is fucking sick, dog. Make a bitch cough like a sick dog. Probably cause I spit raw. No fucking with this bar. Other rappers more uncool than when the fridge off. Damn, I think my lid's off. Momento and sick talk. Mine like a motherfucking unsolvable chick.
Okay. In my opinion, it took him a few seconds to get into the pocket of the beat. But once he got into the, I mean, he was laying down some nice quotables before he got into the pocket. But when he got into the pocket, it felt like, okay, I'm here now. I'm rocking this joint, man. I ain't going nowhere. I really like that. That joint made it official. All right, let's go.
Big dog, probably cause I spit raw. No fucking with this bar. Other rappers more uncool than when the fridge off. Damn, I think my lid's off. fucking unsolvable jigsaw. Go ask my audience, what you listen to him for? Shit, cause I don't think Lil Wayne's come this hard. My God, and what that means.
Did he say because I don't think Lil Wayne has come this hard? Okay, all right, let's go.
I ain't son of nobody, then I must be king. Cocky with it, cause I know that can't nobody stop me with it. Wanna try, be ready to die, kamikaze with it. Fuck a prince, I know I'm the real shit, you did it. Cause ain't no motherfucking body done the shit I did. I'm the man where I'm from, but they call me the kid. Give me the crown, cause if not, then we taking that bitch, motherfucker. 100 words of running, 100 rappers that I ain't still in my stomach, and 100 other coming. Hustling for 100 hundreds, I don't give a fuck what you say, give me my money. That college educated, but I can count a shitload. Connected like a constellation, I can get you shit mode. Boy, I do numbers with these verses, check the info. I'm Machine Gun Kelly, what the fuck's a Pisco? What the fuck's a white flag? What the fuck a price tag? What the fuck is beef? Fucking show me where the mic's at.
This nigga killing it, man. Like, he just killing it, bro. God damn, I hate this. I mean, I love this season. Spring is a beautiful, amazing season, man. Everything just starts sprouting and growing. But then the one downside is my damn allergies start, real allergies, guys. Real allergies start acting up because pollen, everything starts pollinating, man. Sheesh, I don't like that. All right, let's go. MGK is killing this joint, man. And he talking his sugar honey iced tea, bro. I really like that when rappers do that, man. They gotta have that. You cannot be a humble rapper, in my opinion. A humble rapper is just dumb. A rapper should be braggadocious. If he's not talking about the things he got or bitches he ran through, shout out to B.I.G., or the places he been, he at least got to talk about him being the best at his craft. Yeah, I respect y'all, but I'm that guy. If you don't believe in yourself that much, then why the hell are you doing it, bro? All right, let's go.
Shit mode, boy, I do numbers with these verses, check the info. I'm Machine Gun Kelly, what the fuck's a Pisco? What the fuck's a white flag? What the fuck a price tag? What the fuck is beef? Fucking show me where the mic's at. I will tear each one of these motherfuckers a nice ass. No homo, cause we don't get dicked, we ain't like that. Bitch, shoulda hollered at me before, cause fuck you, baby, it's now my stilo. And that goes for promoters, for the shows, for the verses, for the hoes, for the labels. What you owe, bitch, give me my dough. I'm a big baller, shot caller of my age, 19-year-old Dwayne Wade. And the east side on my back, no matter what they weigh. Cleveland's number 23, like I ain't know LeBron played. So what's up to all my fans who held me down since day one, telling them Kale's the hardest that they come. Get over here what they want, and I did that. So come and blow a blunt with your boy. Give it here, let me spit that. And I bet they won't forget that, cause rappers forgot how to be real, forgot how they used to be before the deal. But I remember still, that's why I'm not a member of fame, just raw talent who remembers the game and the name Kales.
My nigga. MGK is nice, bro. Shout out to Jeff Hamilton for giving me this look right here, because I didn't even know that this joint existed, bro. I didn't even know it existed, man. But shout out to Jeff Hamilton. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for looking out. And shout out to all you guys, man. We are at 26K at this moment. I'm gonna stop saying my numbers, man, because when I look back at other people, like reaction channels, and I look at one of their videos and they say that they have a certain amount of numbers, and at the time that I'm looking at their video, their numbers are just way inflated. You know what I mean? I just don't. I'm gonna stop doing that. But I do appreciate y'all, man. That's the only reason why I do it. Y'all are amazing. I want to hear what y'all think about this joint in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please be sure to do so on your way out the door, guys. Again, I am Van. We are all the LFR family. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I'll see y'all on the next one, all right?